This pump is malfunction continuously. It'll work right for a little while, but the temperature's not right on there either. Here's the other thing, is this thing bows out like this, and it doesn't match this cover. Love the snaps on it as far as that goes. And you know, as far as the room, lots of room in here, which I love, but the thing is, it won't seal up right. And so, you know, that's gonna mess with your temperature, and it's also gonna allow bugs and dust and stuff in there. So you can see I got a little layer. It's hard to tell on camera, but I got a layer of crud in there, and I just filled this thing up. Oh, look at that too. That's the other thing. There's a frog in here. So that's the consequences. I love the little frogs, but I don't want them in my cold plunge. So that's what happens with this thing. And I've aired it up twice. It's not an inflation issue. It just bows out in the center. I mean, there's lots of good points to it, but not worth it as far as what we paid for it. And so I want this thing to function optimally. See, it just throws codes constantly. All right, this is the last time I'll be using this cold plunge. I'm taking it back to Costco. So it bows out, the sides bow out, you don't get a good seal. The pump works intermittently. Didn't work right off the bat. I had to bleed a bunch of air, a whole bunch of tricks to get the thing going. And it's constantly erroring. I'm getting error messages, and so if you wanted to let it run at night, so it's cold in the morning, it's gonna error and beep, and it's loud too as far as the beep, but it wouldn't be a problem if it didn't happen all the time. So I've tried to troubleshoot the thing quite a bit, and it's still not working right. But right this second, I set this thing to 3 degrees, and through all the error messages, all the error codes that it's thrown and restarts I've had to do, I'm only able to get it down to 7 degrees Celsius, so that's where we're sitting right now. It's at 6 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty cold, and but I don't think it's as cold as it's reading on there, so I think that's off too. I'm able to tolerate this like really easy. I did just get back from a run. My body was hot, but I don't think it's as cold as it's saying. So anyway, overall, after using this thing for a few weeks, not happy with it, and I don't recommend it.